Okay, new project. It's all about having this bit here for our little person that I've been donated onto this, which is my handbrake. So, never seen it done before. The attachments aren't built for that, so we're going to make something up to get it to fit. Right, we found some bits of metal, bits and pieces in the scrap bin. So that fits in there. It will do. I'm not using the one hand for something else. Beautifully. Even matches the zinc and yellow bit on here. And a bit of rough old 1x2 inch box and a few bits of plate. And I think we're going to make some stuff up to fix that upright for this to bolt onto just at the back of my seat. So let's see what we do next. Let's get the hacksaw. Right, I've been welding for about an hour and cutting and measuring, and this is what we got so far. So a fairly complicated looking bit of a setup. The main objective is that it's strong, and that's where the bit's going to bolt onto the back. Stage one. So this is what we got so far. Bracket at the top, and then this side bracket thing going on here, so I'm trying to fix the bottom. So let's have a look, see how it's sort of shaping up. That goes on there like that, and then this bit hangs over the side down there, so I can clamp that on. Now we've got a bottom bracket with lots of wacky angles on it.